Good afternoon, student. So we have already seen the mathematical logic. In this case, we are already known about the conjunction, disjunction, implication, and double implication operation. Now I want to teach you the application of logic in a switching circuit. So we are already known about the switching circuit or circuit diagram. So first of all, to study the circuit diagram, we are well known about switch. So switch, what do you mean by switch? Switch is nothing but it is a two-state device used to control the current, flow of current. So we are already known about switch. So it is a two-state device used to control the flow of current. So now in a switching circuit or in a circuit diagram, there are two methods used to connect two switches. First one is series connection. So and second one is in a parallel connection. So switches are connected by two ways. First one is series connection and second one is parallel connection. So in case of series connection, two switches are connected in a series connection. That means if we consider P as a switch S1 and Q as a switch S2, always write P as a switch S1 and Q as a switch S2 to construct a switching table or to construct a circuit diagram of given logical statement. You have to always write P as S1 and Q as switch S2, and negation of that is denoted by dash. That means complement of that. So in series connection, if we have two connection, if we have two statement, that is P and Q, or two switches, P as switch S1 and Q as switch S2. So if we connect it as in a series, so it is like this: switch S1 and switch S2 are connected in a series way. So we have to check the probability of that, how to flow a current. So what is the possibility to flow the current if we connect the two switches S1 and S2 in a series connection? So what is the output of that connection? So we have to construct a output or input table for this series connection as a conjunction. So in a conjunction, if we connect two switches S1 and S2 in a series connection, and we have to obtain input and output table of that statement. So consider P and Q as S1 and S2, and we use here a series connection. So if we use a series connection, so always use as a conjunction. Conjunction means it is in a two switches P and Q, or S1 and S2 are connected in a series way. So what is the output of this table? So in this case, to construct an input and output table, always use 1 as T, or T as 1, or 1 is denoted by to switch is on, and 0 is denoting the switch is off. So if we use a series connection, then we have the table for series connection or conjunction. That means we have the probability of P, that is T, F, Q as TF, TF. So if we construct, it is a truth table and we have to construct a input output table. So if we construct input output table to replace T as 1, F as a 0, that means 1 denote the switch is on and 0 denote switch is off. So 1 and 0 is nothing but it is a flow value. So 1 denote switch is on and 0 denote the switch is off. So we are only we are known about the truth table of conjunction. So P and Q are two statement, or P and Q or S1 and S2 are two switches, and we are connecting in a series way. So S1 is connected with S2 in a series way. So we have the probability of S1 is 1 1 1 for T, 1 for T and 0 for off, or 0 for off. So 1 1, that means T T F F, similar to the truth table of conjunction, that is P Q and P conjunction Q. So we have the output of Q is TF TF, that means 1 0 1 0. So we know P conjunction with Q, P conjunction with Q or S1 is connected with S2 in a series direction. So what is the output of these switches? If P as S1 and Q as S2, if S1 is closed, 1 means closed, S1 is closed, S2 is closed, then current will flow, that means we have to write 1. Current will flow, that means light will glow. So S1 is closed, S2 is closed, then light will glow, that means it has value 1. S1 is 1, S2 is 0, then light will not glow. S1 is 0, S2 is 1, so light will not glow. S1 is 0, S2 is 0, that means light will not glow. So while we study about a input output table, always compare a conjunction with series operation. So consider this figure. S1, if S1 and S2 is a two switch are connected in a series direction. So if what is the probability or what is the chance to glow, we have to check what is the chance to glow the light. If yes, we have, if it is connected in a series way, so we have, if S1 is closed, S2 is closed, this light will glow. That means P is 1, Q is 1, then light will glow. So out of these two switch, any switch are open. Out of this switch S1 and S2, any switch are open, then current will not flow. That means P is 1, Q is 0, it is also 0. P is 0, Q is 1, that is equals to 0. P is 0, Q is 0, that is equals to 0. That means in a series connection, remember, in a series connection, the chance of flow a current if the both switches are closed. If both switches are closed, then current will flow. Otherwise, current will not flow. So it is the first operation, that is series connection. Again consider a parallel connection. In a parallel connection, we again consider two switches P and Q as S1 and S2. Consider P as S1, Q as S2, and we have to obtain the input and output table for the parallel connection. And parallel connection always compare with disjunction operation. And you know the operation of disjunction in a mathematical logic. That means there are only one f present if both the value of truth of that statement is f. That means p is f, q is f, then it is f. So compare with this as a parallel operation, that is parallel connection. If we have two statements S1 and S2, so what is the chance to glow the light or to flow the current? So if S1 is closed, observe, if S1 is closed and S2 is open, then current is also flow. Again, S1 is closed, S2 is open, then light will flow. If S1 is open, S2 is closed, then light will also flow, or current will also glow, current will also flow. So again, third case is when any of these are closed, one of this is closed and one is open, then current will flow. There is only one possibility, that means current will not flow if both the switches are open. That means S1 is open and S2 is open, then current does not flow. That means light does not glow. So we have to construct a truth table for parallel connection, and parallel connection is denoting as a disjunction. So we have conjunct disjunction operation, P disjunction with Q, observe this, P disjunction with Q, that means P as S1 and Q as S2, and we use here a parallel connection in a S1 and S2, or two switches are connected by a parallel connection. So we have the output of disjunction table. So what is the disjunction table? It has value f. If both the values of P and Q are f, then it is f. So in case of input output table, we have to construct an input output table for the disjunction. That means we have to obtain the input output table for a parallel connection. So what is the output if two switches are connected in a parallel base? So in a disjunction we have, there are only one f present. That means both are f. That means P is 0, Q is 0, then it is 0. 0 as f and 1 as 0 as f and 1 as t. So in a disjunction we have the table P disjunction Q implies f if P is f and Q is f. So we have the table P disjunction Q is P as 1, Q as 1, then it is 1. P as 1, Q is 0, then it is 1. P is 0, Q is 1, then it is 1. P is 0, Q is 0, that is equals to 0. That means switch S1 is open, S2 is open, then current does not flow in a parallel connection. That means in a parallel connection both the switches are open, then current does not flow. In a series connection, if current is flow if and only if both the switches are closed. That means P is closed and Q is closed, then current will flow. So it is two basic operation to construct a input output table. So it is the first operation, that is P conjunction Q is series connection and P disjunction Q denote the parallel connection. So again, once again I recall you the two operation, that means two connection in a switching circuit, that is a series connection and parallel connection. So in a series connection, there is only one chance. If we have two switches S1 and S2, there is only one chance that current will flow if both the switches are closed. That means S1 is closed, S2 is closed, then current will flow, otherwise current does not flow. Again, in a second case, that means in a parallel connection. Parallel connection is like a disjunction. Parallel connection is like a disjunction, or we have the disjunction table, or in a parallel connection we have if two states. If we have two switches S1 and S2, there is only one possibility that current does not flow. That means both the switches are open. Observe this, both the switches are open. That is, P is 0, Q is 0, then it is equals to 0. P is 1, Q is 1, it is 1. P is 1, Q is 0, that is it is 1. P is 0, Q is 1, that is equals to 1. P is 0, Q is 0, that is equals to 0. That means in case of parallel series or in case of parallel connection, there is only one possibility that current does not flow if both the switches are open. So it is the basic idea to construct an input and output table of any switching of any logical statement. We construct a switching table is like this manner, and always use 1 for T and 0 for F, and use similar procedure while we use constructing a truth table of logical statement. So once again, I recall you, there are two methods to connect the switches S1 and S2, that are in a series connection, and second one is a parallel connection. So in the next period, we are going to construct a switching table as well as a circuit diagram of a logical statement. So I will continue.